It's Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance, and here we are at this beautiful apartment overlooking the amazing Faulkner Park in St Kilda Road, Melbourne. And this apartment hasn't been painted in about 15 years. The old colour is looking kind of dated. It's yellow. The door frames are kind of a strange grey brown, and there's a whole bunch of issues with the walls with holes that have been done from hanging pictures and all sorts of things over the years that haven't been repaired or painted during the time where new tenants have moved in. So the client has asked us to come in and repaint the entire place, including repainting the walls, repainting the ceilings, repainting the doors, repainting the architraves, and repainting the skirting boards. Now, the condition of this place is quite reasonable, although there are a lot of marks on the walls, and the carpet will be replaced once the painting has been completed. So we're going to need to remove some of the carpet to get to the bottom of the skirting board. The bathrooms are in quite good condition and there's not much to do in there. It's just about painting the ceilings. And you can see that other than that, the place is quite small, so we should be able to handle this job in the next few days, and we should have it done probably by about 3 days' time. And the difference is going to be dramatic. The client has asked us to use resin paints to paint this place, and the color on the walls is alabaster. And you can see what a difference we've made to this place by giving it a fresh coat of paint on the ceilings, 2 coats that is of ceiling flat, and 2 coats of low sheen resin on the walls. And now you can see that the place is completely fresh and all the holes have been repaired and patched, and all the imperfections, all the gaps have been filled. We've sanded the repairs that we've made so that they're not visible, and we've created this really fresh, really clean looking space, and it's looking as good as it did when it was brand new. Now you can see there where we've taken the carpet off around the skirting board. The carpet was going to be replaced, so it was a good opportunity to make sure that we did a perfect job so that when the new floor went in, there wasn't going to be any possibility that we haven't painted far enough on the skirting board. We painted inside the wardrobes and we cleaned them up. They are just perfect now for clothes. And we repainted the ceilings of all the bathrooms, even though they were quite good. And we also repainted the walls in the laundry. And look at these doors. Look how shiny they have become. We've made them look really amazing. We're really proud of those. And the client has absolutely given us the thumbs up and they love it. And you can see what a beautiful place this is going to be to live in, not only from the view, but also now from the paint job. And when the new carpet goes in, this is going to be a really, really lovely and fresh, updated place to live in. So if you are looking for a painter in Melbourne, please do call Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance so that we can come out and give you a quote to make your place look amazing again. Quotes are free, and you should also go ahead and check out our Google reviews. I think we're about at 35 5-star Google reviews right now. So we go out of our way to make sure that we make our clients happy, and check out this amazing view.